Hi guys, good afternoon sa lahat. Dito ako ngayon sa National Museum ng Bahrain. Ayan, yan yung sa likod ko guys. Ito ay na-establish noong December 15, 1988. So may laki ito na 27,800 square meter ang kanyang area guys. Ito yung largest and famous museum dito sa Bahrain guys. Ayan. So welcome to Bahrain National Museum. Ayan guys, maraming mga nagtutour. Yan yung guys, mga nagtutour dito guys. Guys, papasok na tayo guys. Ito guys, total cost ng museum na to ay approximately 30 million US dollar. So ito guys, napakaganda sa labas pa lang. Yan, ito yung entrance nya, Bahrain National Museum. Ayan guys. Ayan, nasa tabi siya ng dagat guys eh. Ayan. So papasok tayo guys. Guys, ito na yung loob niya guys. Yan, His Highness Sheikh Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa, the Emir of the State of Bahrain, presided at the official inauguration ceremony for the Bahrain National Museum 8 Jumada Al-Ula 15 December 1988. Yan guys. Ito guys yung structure niya. Ayan guys, investing in culture. Ito na yung loob. Ayan, young museologist. Ayan guys, yung structure ng museum. Ito guys. Ayan, may mga may mga paintings sila guys. Ayan. Ano kaya meron dito sa unahan? Tingnan natin guys. Yung mga picture. Mga old picture guys. Ito, 1926. Ayan. 1928. Ayan guys. Mga old picture pala. 1941. Ayan, 1953, 1955, 1970, 1968. Ayan, mga old picture, naka-preserve lang. 1972. Ito yung year na pinanganak ako guys. 1972, 1970, 1976, 1977, 1999. Sino yan Brad? Parang kilala ko yan.
Parang Gibson.
2000, 2001. Ito yung King, di ba? King Ahmad. Dito tayo guys, kabila. Yan, 2001, 2004. 2007, 2010. Ha? 2010, 2014. 2014, 2016. 16 to 19. 19, 2020. 2020 to 2025. Yan. Ano naman to? Nawala. 2008, 2002, 2000. Nawala yung ano. 2010, 2011. 2012, 2013. Yun guys, mga picture nila guys. Mga remembrance. 2014, 2015, 16, 2017. Ayan. Ito yung kasakyan ng hari guys. Oh. Yan yung lumang sasakyan. Naka-display dito guys. Ang ganda ano. Yan guys. Ganda ng sasakyan. Ayan. Ayan. Dito tayo guys. Ato Brad. Flame of Peace. Flame of Peace guys. Yan Flame of Peace on the occasion of presentation of the Flame of Peace Award to His Royal Highness Prince Khalifa bin Salman, Khalifa Prime Minister of Kingdom. This monument was unveiled by His Highness Sheikh Ali bin Khalifa Al Khalifa, Deputy Premier of Kingdom Bahrain, in the presence of okay. Ganda guys. Yung ganda ng floor nila. Oh. Mayroon pa lang ano. Yung floor niya guys, naka-okit ng ano. Ng map ng Bahrain. Yan guys. Ganda. Yan. Ito continuation pala. Sa mga picture. Ayan. Continuation. Oh guys, dito tayo. Sa left side. Ito. Delmon. Sa left side. Sa right side, Custom and Tradition. Malaki pala talaga ito guys. Marami siyang ano, makikita. Ayan. Ayan the bird. Before birth, the woman goes to her father's house where herbal broth and washing food have been prepared. The bird, the woman is giving a small cup of water and 3 dried dates. The baby in biblical code is buried in the mosque. If it is a boy or a kitchen elder. And guys, ito naman introduction. Ayan guys, introduction. The essence of Bahrain heritage can be found in the lives of its people, in their custom, tradition, architecture, and clothes. This heritage was being passed down from generation to generation by daily experience, the influence of Islam. Yan guys. So, ito yung mga sinaunang panahon na ginagawa nila guys. Building profession. Yan The master mason was not only in charge of the mason but of the whole building process. Yan guys. Ayan yung mga gamit nila noong unang panahon guys. Yung piko. Ayan. Yung martilyo. Yung pang ano. Pang hasa yata. Ayan yung Bahrain dati. Yung old Bahrain. Ayan, ito yung mosque. Mosque yata to guys. Ayan. Ito yung mga old houses nila. Interior decor, exterior decor. Ito yung guys ang mga old houses nila guys. Ayan, mga bahay nila dati. Ayan. Palm branch dwellings. Ayan guys. Ito yung traditional ano nila suit. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ang tawag niyan men usually wear the seal hat in the summer. It is light cotton garment with long wide sleeves and no collar. And the tassel is attached to the neck. Made of vertical rectangular pieces except for the sleeves, which rectangular. Usually plain shell and around the neck. Yan guys. Traditional dress nila. Dito. Yan, dito rin. Traditional dress din nila yan. Yan sa mga babae naman. Woman's costume. Yan yung main costume. Ayan. Yung paggawa ata nila to ng dress nila. Yan guys. Dito naman lace made dark cotton one round wooden. Yan guys. Dito tayo banda guys. Dito naman ay children go to the sea. Ayan. 19th day of make-up ray. The children barren celebrate this day with the ceremony of Hiya-Biya. They walks to the seashore to throw basket of green sprout and cereals to the sea while singing the song Hiya-Biya. Ayan guys. Para pa sa tradition. Tradition nila na maghahagi sa dagat. Ito festivities. Ayan, yung mga activities nila. Arabic time. Ito guys, prayer time, Islamic year, folk medicine. Ayan, medicine nila guys, mga herbal. Herbal medicine nila guys. Meron din pala sila mga herbal medicine. Ito ano to? Yung plato nila guys. China plate with Quranic verse, bowl. Yan. Curing by the holy wood. Okay. May holy wood din pala sila. Can sometimes be cured by rituals such as reading the Quran or meditation. What of the China plate? With which Quranic verses have been written.
Because they are always traveling with the boat. So they call it majlis. And basically we have a meeting for traveling.
There is a small meeting place built near the seashore in an empty square with a large courtyard. One time was built and planned. Yun guys. Ano to? Mayroong bridal jewelry. Baka yung kakasal. On the first day of the marriage and the following days, the bride was dressed with her full jewelry for receiving visor. To add more to her beauty, she was adorned with gold from head to foot. The jewelry was made at the local goldsmith 1 or 2 months before the wedding, or borrowed from relative or neighbor. Yan guys. Yan pala ang ano nila tradition pag ikakasal ng babae. Full of jewelry with gold. Yan guys. The family. Ayan. The family and social values. Yan yung mga family tradition nila. Woman's beauty. Ayan guys. Wedding orchestra. And the wedding feast. Bridal guest. And the morning gift. Ayan ito guys. The wedding night. Ito, the wedding night. The good luck party. And the wedding education. Yan lahat guys. Ito yung mga manok guys. May manok din pala sila. Karnero. Yan yung buhay nila dati guys. Ganito lang kasimple. Ayan. Ayan guys. Guys, dito tayo sa kabila. Left side naman. Ito ay Delmon. Ito Delmon. Ano kayang may Delmon? Ano kayang mayroon dito? Ito. Ito yung ano to guys? Amorite personal name. Yung mga hayop to.
Sabi ko mga mango.
Ayan yung libingan?
Libingan natin.
Oo nga. Ito yung libingan pala yung pinuntahan namin. Kung malaking libingan daw, ibig sabihin mayaman. Kung maliit, ayan, mahirap. A royal visit to Mari around 1780 before Christ. The king of Delmon seems to have visited the ruler of Mari in Syria, 1,200 kilometers from Delmon. The palace archive in Mari contains a small note written by the keeper of the oil to the effect that the measure of oil had been issued to the king of Delmon. We may imagine that a servant had been sent to fetch oil for the king, perhaps for anointment after his bath. Ayan. The king palace at Ras Al Khala, precisely below where the later Kassite governor built his government center, and later still the Delmon king had his palace, lies a massive wall on early Delmon dates. Yun guys, symbol of power. Dito tayo guys sa kabila. Diras Temple. Yung mga stone na to guys, napaka matagal na tong stone na to. Stone sculptures of Turans. Ayan. Yung mga stone na napakatagal na guys. Ayan guys. Ayan, minsan nang mamanghala lang ako dito, napatingin na lang ako guys. yung mga lumang bato. Lumang bato guys. Hindi ko nabasahin lahat guys Yan. Yan guys Kaya na magbasa. Ayan guys. Lumang bato guys, talagang paano ka ginawa to. Yan yung ano nila, palace. Yan. Ano to? Barbar Temple. Two tells near the village of Barbar cover the largest temple yet found in Bahrain and a smaller neighborhood temple. The Barbar Temple is actually three temples, what's one succeeding the other on the same site. And guys, Temple of Delmon. Ayan, Temple of Delmon. The Gods of Delmon. Ayan guys, kayo na magbasa guys ha. Ayan. Ito guys. Ayan guys. Mga bato, sinulang panahon. Yan, ano to? Sar settlement. Distribution of early Delmon settlement. Yan guys. Common type of system. Yan guys. Mga bowl nila noong unang panahon guys. Kahoy ng unang panahon. Dito naman, yan, 2 vitamin coated beakers have incised pattern. Ayan guys. Ito guys, yung mga banga nila noon. The great variety of plain and painted, handmade and well-made locally produced early Delmon. Mga pottery guys. 2300 BC. Grabe ano? Tagal na no? Ang gamit nila. Mga tigib. Ito, tigib guys oh. Luma. Yan guys. Ito, the city gate. The city gate. Naunang panahon talaga. Ayan. Sa tabi ng dagat pala no? The city gate. Yung mga tao nung unang panahon guys wala pa sila mga damit. Ano yan Brad?
Parang pag naggawa sila ng
well nga. Lagay ng tubig nila. Section of well lining of fire clay was found. A stone built well near the city wall. Next to the well, or large water was sunk in the street. Ito mga stone. Seafoods. Ayan guys. Ang laki ng bato. Ito yung mga old stone. Square pa noong unang panahon. early Delmon, 2200 to 1600 before Christ. By the end of the 3rd millennium before Christ, the Delmon city of Ras Al Khala was fortified, and the king had the ultimate power in the land. Delmon had entered her most prosperous and enterprising phase as it became the center of the trade between civilization of Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley. Yan guys, the legend of Delmon. Yung banga guys, oh. Giant vessel from Ras Al Khala. Grabe na. Ang lumang-luma na talaga. Yung mga banga nila nung unang panahon. Yan. Tagal na nito. Formative Delmon, 3,200 to 2,200 BC. Ito guys, yung mga antiques nila noong paunang panahon, nakapreserve pa rin dito. Yung mga ano nila, porcelain. Ayan. Ayan. Stone Age. Guys, papasok tayo sa Boreal Hall of Graves. Ayan guys, Hall of Graves. The Hall of Delmon Graves. Yan. Makikita natin ito yung libingan nila guys, kung paano ginawa. Ayan. Parang tambak lang, no? Sakit ng mga bato na yan. Ayan. Ha? Buto po. Tao? Ayan guys, oh. Boreal nila guys. Tao yan, buto. This early type burial mound from Madinat Hamad is built. The burial chamber is typically built of unwarped limestone blocks surrounded by small stone ring wall. The prone skeleton belongs to a man that passed away at the age of 40 and had long suffered from the inflammation of his back joint. He had also lost most of his teeth, probably due to the consumption of a diet fairly high in carbohydrates, painted pot, and import from the south of the Arabian. 12 placed near the head contained food remains. Yan guys. Yan. Yung tao yan guys. Ito yung burial mound nila guys. Oh. Pag mamatay ka, dito ka ilibing silalim, tambakan ka ng bato-bato. Yan. Tribal Delmon, 2250 BC before Christ. Ayan. Ito yung napuntahan natin ng isang araw. Yung mga burial nila. Ayan guys. Ayan itong mga bone nila guys. Ito buto ng tao. Totoong tao talaga to, no? No? Yung mga bone nila guys. Laki na mga bone nila. Grabe. Laki. Yan guys. Male hip bone, female hip bone. Madinat Hamad Cemetery, early Delmon, 2000 to 1600 1800 BC. The pelvis is one of the best indicator of sex in adult skeleton, mainly due to distinct features that females have adapted for childbearing. In general, the hip bone part of the pelvis are tall and narrow in male, while they are short and broad in female. Okay. Mga bone nila guys. Intact pa rin. Mga buto nila. Skeleton guys. Skeleton ng tao. Yan guys. Yan, may skeleton ng tao noong unang panahon. Skulls belonging to human of different age. Various early and late Delmon Cemetery. Yan guys. Yan, long bone. Femora of adults 3 to 5, femora of children 6 to 7. Yan guys, may identification naman guys, yung mga numbering nila. Yan. So yan yung mga ano nila, bone. Dito tayo guys. Yan. New social complexity and diversity of burial. Ayan guys. The late type of mounts. Ayan guys, mga history nila guys. Basahin nyo na lang, hindi ko na mabasa, dami. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. So dito tayo sa libingan nila guys. Ayan. Ito yung bone nila. Ito pala guys, inintindihan ko na. Ito yung tao sa gitna. Surrounded by stone. Yan. Pero sa kabila niyan, tinatambakan siya ng lupa. Ayan. Yan sa gilid guys. Lupa. Napakalaki. Yan guys. Sa gitna ang tao. Ito, nilagyan pa nila ng banga guys. Oh. Parang tubig. Kumauhaw siguro. Yan guys. Ito yan. Late type burial mound. The main burial chamber yan. Nakayuko lang pala guys. Oh. Nakatalokbong. Hindi pala nakatihaya. Sa atin kasi nakatihaya na eh. Yan. The arrangement of this grave reflects well established tradition of burial and ritual practice. The main chamber with its main access oriented north to east was occupied by a 45-year-old male. The body is placed laying on its right side in a semi-flex position with the hands placed in front of the face. At the time of the burial, several offerings were deposited in one of the chamber alcove of around of the body of the deceased, including several vessels that probably contain food or liquid. The remains of the lamb or sheep, which might have been consumed during the burial ceremony, were also placed next to his body. Yun guys. Burial din, no? Parang ibang structure niya. Parang hinula siyang bundok, ano? Ano to? May classification. Tingnan natin guys, ha? Ito, burial complex. This burial is a reconstruction of a small group of the 1,500 cluster subterranean grave found at the southern complex, burial complex of Sar. Each of the burial chamber here separated from each other by interconnected curved stone walls contain the remains of a male or female adult, usually lying on her right side in a fetal position. Despite its very distinct structure, This specific cemetery has yielded similar burial offering to the ones found in the contemporary traditional late type burial mounds. Ayan guys. Parang mayroon dito, parang ganun. Mayroon din doon sa kabila, no? Sa gitna.
Isa lang talaga.
Ay, isa lang talaga siya.
Isa lang talaga siya.
Yan guys, may patay sa loob. Dito. Ayan. Funerary ritual and offering. Mga offering nila guys. Daylight or chieftain mounts. Yan guys. Yan, basahin nyo na lang guys ha. Ang dami ng wording guys. Yan. Ito naman. Basahin nyo na lang guys. Ayan. Guys, yung antiques royal mounts of Ali. Ito royal mounts. Ito yung libingan ng mga royal, ano, as commonly known from the ancient Near East. Establishment of royal cemetery was generally associated with the emergence of state and the central royal authority. In line with that history, Delman King built a monumental extramuros royal cemetery in Ali, 8 kilometers in the south to their capital, Kalat al-Barin. This outstanding public venture consisted of 14 mounts, some 12 meters and 50 diameter in diameter. Ang laki. Ibig sabihin, kung mga malaki talaga, yan ay yung mga royal family. Grabe ano. Yan guys. Ano to? Ayan. Mass grave from the middle Delman period. Oh, meron din palang mass grave noon. Yun, puro buto. Mass grave. Yan guys.